के फायदे ही होते हैं. There are some perks, I'll tell you. I get to skip the queue sometimes. I met with the directors, did my readings, costumes, trials, you know, had the schedule in hand, and the project didn't take off. It's a very good mix of, it's a crime drama, a police procedural, but it has a mystical element, a fantasy element of sorts. हम सब इंडियन बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं तो टीवी के सामने खड़े होकर डांस करते हैं. तरीके का ना फितूर होना चाहिए. My father is a doctor, my mum is a nutritionist, and they were quite the taskmasters. तो मतलब बचपन से ही education पे, schooling पे बहुत focus था, and it was always like it was ingrained in me to do well in school, and so you know I was a good student. I was a front bencher, good student growing up. I changed many schools. My hometown is this really small place in Madhya Pradesh जिसका नाम है सुखपुर. और वहाँ पे 5th standard तक मैं वहाँ थी. उसके बाद I changed many schools, went to Nani house and then to the district for a year, came to Delhi eventually, and went to DPS Vasant Kunj in Delhi, and then cracked the entrance of NIFT, so got into NIFT. मैं हौस खास में NIFT अपने कॉलेज अब तो बोल सकती हूँ बंक करी थी, and somebody came up to me and said that we're taking auditions for a TV show, would you like to audition? And I'd never auditioned before that. I had an inclination towards performing arts, मतलब स्कूल में डांस ड्रामा इन सब चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करती थी, but it wasn't a career option. Like I don't think जहाँ से मैं आती हूँ और जिस तरह की मेरी फैमिली थी वहाँ पे हम सब लोग डॉक्टर बनते हैं, और it was very traditional like that. Nobody's in the arts, so it was never a career option for me. I think, I don't know if subconsciously, I think हम सब इंडियन बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं तो टीवी के सामने खड़े होकर डांस करते हैं, and we have that little filminess in us. But no, it was not I did not grow up dreaming of becoming an actor. मैं ना ढूंढ रही थी. I don't think I had settled on one thing, which is why when this happened to me and I instantly realized कि this is where I belong. तो मैं बचपन में डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, क्योंकि मेरे आसपास पापा के फ्रेंड्स जो आप देख के बड़े होते हैं, जो आपके रोल मॉडल्स होते हैं, आप वही बनना चाहते हैं.
Was it difficult for you to enter the industry, especially from TV to films, right, and web series? Because I've heard lots of TV actors saying that we have been treated differently in Bollywood. Yeah. So have you had any experience like that, or do you agree with this?
I mean, I don't agree with it. There is an unsaid hierarchy of sorts that exists. I will not deny that. But I knew about it. I knew what I was getting into. When I quit television, I had done many years of television and life had gotten really comfortable at that point. I needed the financial security also. And I thought I kind of like creatively reached a dead end almost. And because because I didn't grow up wanting to be an actor, all my film education and acting education happened on set, and I started very, very young. I was in first year college, not even, like I just joined college, मतलब खत्म भी नहीं किया था. So as my taste evolved, I realized that the kind of stuff that I want to do is happening on film more than television, and that's when I made the switch. So I was very well aware that I'm letting go of something that is already working for me, has given me a good amount of success, security, popularity, but I had to take that risk to follow my artistic goals. मेरे साथ 3-4 बार ऐसा हुआ actually, and especially with films, and they were not because मतलब सभी चीज़ें बड़े producers के साथ थी, and they were absolutely ready to go on floor. Like I met with the directors, did my readings, costumes, trials, had the schedule in hand, and the project didn't take off. This thing happened to me a couple of times, but that happens. I mean, making a film is not easy. So there are times when things do not take off for whatever reason, and disappointment तो होती है, बुरा तो लगता ही है.
How do you deal with that?
I've gotten better at it, better at generally taking failure and rejection. That is also because as an actor you have to keep facing that. I audition a lot. Everything that I've gotten so far has been because of auditions, and of course ये मिले हैं तो बहुत सारे ऐसे भी हैं जो नहीं मिले हैं. तो now I've now become slightly better at detaching myself from the result, but बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इसका कोई formula नहीं है मेरे पास. I have no great advice to give. It's not easy to take it, and as an actor, all rejection feels very personal because it's about how you look, how you talk. It's an extension of your personality. It's basically when somebody says you're not fit or you're not good enough, that feels very personal. But there is no other way. You have to have एक तरीके का ना फितूर होना चाहिए. TV सबसे ज़्यादा difficult है. TV is the most grueling lifestyle. क्योंकि just sheer volume. क्योंकि जब मैंने TV करना शुरू किया था तब तक वो daily soaps वाला शुरू हो गया था. तो if something is going to be telecast Monday to, I don't know, Friday, Saturday even sometimes, and then the Maha episode and all also, तो फिर तो आपको रोज shoot करना ही पड़ेगा. तो we used to like shoot every single day for 14-16 hours. No weekends, no offs, no sick leaves, nothing was possible if you're the lead of the show because you have to be in every episode. Film and OTT are very, very similar. Of course, the length matters. अगर आप series कर रहे हैं तो it's almost like shooting 3 films. So you'll be shooting for longer, but a day on set on a film or a web show is not very different. There's similar budgets now. Filmmakers are doing web shows and films. So, and you have a hardbound script which you don't get on television. It keeps changing, evolving with TRPs. But here you have a start and an end. Do I think I've arrived? No. I don't think so. And I think the day I start feeling that I've arrived, I think there will be no motivation left to strive anymore or to be able to take risks anymore or push the envelope. Then I'll just get complacent. I'm aware of that. But also, like, even deep down, I don't think I've arrived. I think, and I don't approach it like this also. I really like learning from what I do. और मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है कि मैं पूरा lifetime भी मेरा निकल जाएगा तो भी I think it's not enough to learn. There is so much to learn in this craft. So, like you said, intriguing लग रहा है. Intrigue is a very big factor in this show 11-11. It's a very good mix of, it's a crime drama, a police procedural, but it has a mystical element, a fantasy element of sorts where 2 timelines हैं, past और present, और जब 11-11 बजते हैं तो past और present connect हो जाते हैं. And through that connection, you can go back and forth in time to be able to solve crime. So there are 3 cops. Shaurya, Yug and Vamika. I play Vamika. I'm a cop in both the timelines. So it's like in the past you see a younger version of me where I've just joined the police force. I'm a, still finding my feet, vulnerable young officer. And in the present timeline, I've already served for 15 years. So I've become the DSP now and I'm leading a unit that solves cold cases. Sikya and Dharma, Guneet and Karan, they are champions of storytellers. They are very, very good to their creative people. I mean, you'll hear this from हमारे director से अगर आप बात करें या किसी भी से भी बात करें जिन्होंने काम किया उनके साथ, they'll tell you that they really champion their people. And of course, Guneet also won the Oscar while we were shooting for 11-11. हम लोग set पे ही थे जब उन्हें मिला award and that was quite special. Right now, you're going to see me on 11-11, 9th August on ZEE5. Do not forget. Please watch it. And I'm also shooting for something very exciting currently. But there's time for that to come out. That's the gist. See you in the next one.